Welcome back. Christmas may be over, but the winter celebration has just begun at the San Antonio Symphony. David Gross, president of the Symphony, is here to tell us about the Strauss Festival that kicks off in January, runs through February. Huge event for the Symphony.
We're very excited. We're going to be featuring the works of the German composer Richard Strauss.
Okay.
And it gives us an opportunity to partner with many of the other local arts organizations. And the first performances will be with Opera San Antonio with Strauss's Salome.
Okay.
Patricia Rosset is Salome, and that will be at the Tobin Center.
What a beautiful lady.
She is. And we will continue through the month of January with performances of various Strauss works. The first of our classics concert after Salome will be also include Mozart's Requiem, which is a wonderful choral work which will feature the master singers along with our music director Sebastian Lang-Lessing conducting.
Okay. Good-looking dude. You like that? I'm always throwing in the extras there.
Yes.
So it's 5 dedicated concerts.
Yes, and then other concerts all through the community. We are also on January 4th going to have a panel discussion over at the Jewish Community Center to discuss the impact of the Second World War on arts and culture and the relationship that Strauss had with the Third Reich.
Now, this is the 5th year that you've done this, correct?
Correct. We started with the Tchaikovsky Festival, and then Brahms, Beethoven, Dvorak, and this year, Strauss.
So if people have yet to go and to see this series and to see these concerts, why is it a good idea to check it out?
Well, it features, first of all, there is a connection between San Antonio and Richard Strauss. The first conductor of the San Antonio Symphony, Max Rider, was a friend of Richard Strauss's, and several of Strauss's works were premiered or got their American premiere here in San Antonio.
Well, that's a big deal.
It is. And so we're going to actually be performing a couple of those works that were premiered here in San Antonio. So we're very excited about that.
So it all begins January 4th.
Over at the Jewish Community Center, and as a matter of fact, we have one of our musicians that'll be performing at the panel discussion here today. Sarah Silver, our assistant concertmaster. And so, and then it'll continue. The 8th and the 11th is Salome, and the following week is the Mozart Requiem.
Okay. It's a very good memory you have there, David. It's quite impressive. So we want to give all of our viewers all of the information, and then we have a performance for you. So you are in luck today. So the San Antonio Symphony 2015 Strauss Festival is happening again the 4th through February 22nd. You can go to sasymphony.org. You can also go to StraussSA.org, and they can get tickets. Obviously, they're still available. You can go online and get them. Can you also give them a call?
You can call the Tobin Center box office to get tickets through there.
And I hear online you get a good deal. They're 50% off. So that's if you want to.
Yes.
If you spend too much over the holidays, definitely you want to go online. And we also have a giveaway. Right now we have a special 4 prize pack for one lucky family. They will get access to all 5 of the concerts, so they can choose which they'd like to go and see and hear.
Absolutely.
And we also have 2 beautiful, talented ladies here in studio. We want to give everyone just a little idea of what they'll get when they head out to the San Antonio Symphony. Who are these beautiful ladies, and what will they be performing, David?
Well, we have Sarah Silver, who is our assistant concertmaster of the orchestra, and Kaylee Miller, who is a violist in the orchestra. Today they're going to be playing the Mozart Duo for violin and viola. Okay,
well, let's just let them take it away.
Great.
Ladies. Bye.